Hello, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about differences in supplements. So lots of people ask me and call here about what are the good supplements, what are the bad supplements. I mean, the supplement industry is a $27 billion business a year. There are so many supplements on the market, I can't even begin to keep up. And a lot of those supplements are not what they say they are. And the reason is there was a study done when I was at Babesia almost 30 years ago, where Dr. Cheryl Miller took a bunch of probiotics and tested what was in them. And, most of them, like 90% of them, had less than 10% of what they said they had in them. And the reason that this can happen is that the supplement industry is not FDA monitored or controlled or overseen. And so supplement companies can make whatever they want to make with no problem. And so, the quality of supplements is very variable. And it's taken me decades to, figure out which ones work, which is why every single thing in my dispensary works. And I know because I've tested it on myself. And I'm very selective about which companies I use and which supplements within those companies I use. I mean, some companies are good for this and not good for that. Other companies are good for this, not good for that. I mean, it's very variable. I can tell you one company that is pretty steadfast and excellent is Research Nutritionals, which is owned by Dennis Schoen. And Dennis Schoen maintains a standard in his supplements that is unmatched by any other company, in my opinion, in the industry. It's very, very high quality. And as a result, his supplements are a little bit more expensive, but, they work. So, I'm sorry that things are this difficult, but it just is what it is. It's no different than any other profession. In the building profession, this wood is better than that wood. In the law profession, this attorney is better than this attorney. Everything. Everything, there are grades of excellence. And in my practice, I like to pride myself on being excellent and being at the top, because I have been for almost 27 years. And so when you purchase things from my dispensary, and I'm not saying that you have to, you can purchase them wherever you want, but you cannot be guaranteed that you're going to have high quality supplement if you purchase them on Amazon or even Full Scripts or Whole Scripts, because those companies use supplements that are not well vetted. So my dispensary, everything in my dispensary works, and we offer it at a 20% discount. So I try and help you guys as much as I can. I know it's expensive, and I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm trying to help you. And I'm also not trying to make a ploy for my dispensary either. I'm just trying to tell you the best way to get you well. And in order to get you well, you have to use supplements that actually work and that aren't contaminated with lead and all these other things, fillers. And this is a particularly important problem for patients with MCAS, because a lot of the supplements have excipients in them. And the excipients are triggers to the release of histamine and an MCAS flare. So, clean supplements is more of an issue for patients with MCAS. So I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.